guys, so I wanted a wreath to go over my sink area, but I needed something that if water splashed up and everything, it wouldn't get wet and it wouldn't ruin the wreath. So I found this wreath on Amazon, and it's like tinsel, and it's got a sparkly sense to it. It's really soft. It has a metal wire in it, and it comes with this little red bow right here. But as you know, guys, I'm into the buffalo check this season, so I'm gonna take that one and I'm gonna put this right on top of it, and then I'm gonna come back and do the reveal of the wreath, and going to do the Nook and kitchen Christmas tour. Okay fam, so here is the breakfast nook and the kitchen for the 2018 Christmas season. So as you can see, I have a wreath over the patio door that has the buffalo check, and those are glass ornaments right there. And then this is considered the children's table. I set it up every year and every holiday. Guys, forgive me if that goes off. That's my alarm system. So I stay with traditional colors in here to go along with the theme from the foyer, from the living room to here. So as you can see, this white charger, faux leather charger with bling on it, was a DIY. It's up on my channel, so if you're interested in that, go check it out. It's Dollar Tree also for the bling, but of course you know you can use the Dollar Tree bling wrap. The placemat came from Big Lots last year, and it has the big snowflake on top of the buffalo check. These napkins, I got one set from Tuesday morning, and I looked for another one and I couldn't find it. But each one of the napkins has something on it. This one says joy, one says Mary, one says blessed, and I forgot what the other one says. So, and then this is the little red truck mailbox that you can get from Dollar Tree. Well, I found 4 of those, and then I found another one, a different one. And so this is the utensil and the napkin holder. I use this as the utensil and the napkin holder. Okay, so now this is the other one that I found. I'm looking to find one more. Yeah. I'm sorry guys. I'm looking to find one more mailbox. I'm gonna make one more run at it, so I can have it for next year Christmas. And so this right here, the centerpiece, the little red truck thing right here, I ordered it from what is the name of the company? I think it's Lakeside, something Lakeside. I'll put it down here in the description box somewhere. And it's really a what you call it, dishwasher cover, but it doesn't stick to stainless steel. So just be aware, if you get anyone for any season, that you make sure you check and see if it's compatible with stainless steel, if you have stainless steel appliances. Now the salt and pepper shaker I also got from Tuesday morning. I love them because I can reuse them. They can be here in the children's room, or they can go in the adults room. Now this centerpiece with the 3 reindeer and the sled, I fixed that together. I got the 3 reindeer from Dollar General. I mean the 3 reindeer and the sleigh from Family Dollar. And so I took some of the buffalo check fabric, because I got some fabric, and I put over each one of the reindeers, and I took a little red berry and gave the front reindeer a red nose for Rudolph. And then I took some twist ties and I glued the twist ties on the sides of the reindeer, and then I took like 3 twist ties and tied it together and just folded up inside the sled. And I just put a present in there, a Christmas tree, and this is for the children, so they will enjoy it. Moving on to the kitchen part. So this is our island, and on our island I always add a touch of bling. So I have a red runner with really shiny bling on it, and I ordered this as well. And I got the reindeer from Dollar General. He was $10, and he counts down to Christmas. But the only thing is that they're little paper things, and they hard to maneuver, but it is a countdown. I have my same vanilla pumpkin that I had out for the fall because I love the scent. And I have 2 LED candles that says thankful, grateful, and blessed. All right, so over here we have the double ovens, and we have the stockings with the buffalo check, and the snowflake on it matches the table mats. Only difference is these table mats these right here come from the Dollar Tree, and they're $1. And I saw them in Tuesday morning, and they was like $10 a piece, the exact same one. I was like, oh no. And on the cabinets, I have buffalo check ribbon with bows. Also, I have plain ribbons with bows, satin ribbons with bows, but I have them on majority of all of the cabinets. I wanted to tie that buffalo check in as much as I could. So, and then I added the red in there just to kind of tone it down a little bit, or give you a little bit of that traditional feel in here. And then, of course, you can't have a kitchen without an apron. So I have the buffalo check apron that I also got from Tuesday morning. And I'll probably be wearing it on Christmas Eve, because that's when we have our family get together. Inside the kitchen, on the floor, I have a big rug that has the little red truck on it that I ordered from Lakeside also. But I think this one is equally beautiful, and this one came from Dollar General, and it was $5 for that mat. And then I have another stocking plus 2 hand towels with the little red truck on it. And over here on this counter, we have a I forget what you call those men, but I put them out every year. I have some more, but I couldn't get them out of storage. And then I have 3 canisters, small, medium, and large, with the little red truck on it, and I also ordered that from the Lakeside. On the stove, I have our DIY pot holder that has the little red truck on it. This DIY is on my channel, so if you want to know how that was made, please go check that video out. Above the stove, on top of the microwave, I have 2 little Santas. One is with his jet skis on, and one has some firewood, and those are ornaments, and they were $2 from Dollar General. And above, I have the little red truck, and it's a what you call that thing, it goes outside really, and it has little bells on it, so when a chime, but I wanted to bring it in here, and it has its sparkle on it, some sparklies on it, and I think this was $3.50. I think that's how much it was. And then right here, I can't go a Christmas without putting this nutcracker out. So it normally sits in front of the fireplace, but I said I'm gonna give it a new home this year. I'm gonna sit it in here, and my grandchildren love it. Well, he don't want to work right now. Okay, and the coffee station is nothing fancy or anything. I just put the cups over here. I have some buffalo check cups, and then all on the tiered tray are Christmas Christmas cups for tea. These right here with the little thing in it, I got those as well. Those was $2. And oh guys, if you want something that tastes delicious, you have to try this right here. You have to try this one. And then if you can find these, get those and drop it inside of it. Oh God, it is so good. That's my go-to for this winter. And then I found at Family Dollar, I found another little canister that has the little red truck on it, and it says "Let It Snow," and the snowman is in with the truck. And these are cookies, canister with cookies. And then of course we have our DIY snowman right here, and he tops it off. And then you go around, you have a cup that has apple cider, same thing, cappuccino and hot chocolate. I like to keep all those things readily available for my guests. I want them to be able to have coffee, tea, cider, whatever type of drink they enjoy during the season. I want them to be able to have it. So I have a selection of that over here. And then this is a piece of fabric as well, the buffalo check fabric. And this is where the stirs that when you finish with your cup, you can use this as a stirrer, or you can get a straw. And then again, the creamer and the honey, but it's only in the Christmas decorations this time. So guys, oh, and don't let me forget. And down here in the corner, we have our little Santa. He normally sits in front of the fireplace with the nutcracker, but we gave them a new home this year, and I really love him there. And also that's fabric, and that is fabric. And of course I showed you this setup. And we're going to end with the wreath, and it turned out really beautiful. I like it. The only thing that I may do is add some lights to it, so when it gets dark in the kitchen, that this right here would be lit up. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of our kitchen and our Nook area for the Christmas season. I love my kitchen, but it's my husband's domain. But I'm so blessed to have a husband that was able to afford me the opportunity to have this beautiful kitchen and my home in general. So guys, I'm getting ready to close this out. I'm gonna give you one more panoramic view of the whole thing. And guys, one year I'm going to do the top of the cabinets, but right now I'll just stick with the cabinets. I'm wanting to build my stuff up slowly. I'll add some more to it next year. So guys, oh, and guys, right here, that box is right here. I'm going to be talking about that one soon on our Christmas Eve. Christmas Day, this right here will be out. I'm so excited to use it. I'm so excited to be able to have it, afford the opportunity to have it. It is a portable ice maker, and I can't wait to show you guys all the neat things on that. So I just wanted to touch bases on that. So all right guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And guys, remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again.